हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एक्सप्रेस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए जो आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं उसमें हमारा बोर्ड एग्जाम से रिलेटेड जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होते हैं, एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू द सैंपल पेपर जो कि बोर्ड ने सीबीएसई ने भेजा हुआ है, उसके सिमिलर क्वेश्चन, उसके तरह के क्वेश्चन जो है इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर वाइज वी आर डूइंग। तो इसमें आज चैप्टर नंबर 10 का क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है। कल भी हमने इसमें 10 चैप्टर से दिए थे, आज कुछ क्वेश्चन और हैं इम्पोर्टेंट ऑन द चैप्टर 10 according to the board exam on the basis of board exam 2025 CBSE board exam. So now this question today, question one today, in figure is given, one circle is there, okay, and AQ are tangent, AP and AQ are tangent from an external point A, okay. These are two tangent from a point, external point A, okay, of a circle. BC is also a tangent. BC is also a tangent at the point of contact D. Okay, BC is also a tangent. Okay. Now after that, what if length of tangent AP is 20 centimeter? AP tangent length 20 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. This is the one triangle ABC. So now solution, important thing, tangent lengths are equal from an external point we know. So in the solution we can do AP equal AQ, length of tangents are equal 20, length of tangents are equal, theorem, okay, length of tangent from an external points are equal, okay, theorem is there, okay. From that, so we can say now, if we are taking perimeter, okay, perimeter which we have to find, or we can make perimeter, ठीक है, sum of all three sides. So like this we should start here, AP this plus AQ, AP plus AQ is equal to 20 plus 20 equal to 40, okay. Now because लेंथ आर इक्वल, ठीक है, 20 देन ये भी 20 हो गया तो 40 बन गया. नाउ वी कैन डू लाइक दैट, AP वी कैन ब्रेक AB plus BP, AB we can split brackets, AB B point on this plus BP plus AQ we can break like this, AC plus CQ, AC plus CQ by the figure is equal to 40, okay. Now 40 centimeter, okay. Now you see what you have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. So AC and AB and BC you want. So AB you have here, as it is AB. AC you have here, this and this, so plus AC plus, now this BP and CQ, BP plus CQ. Okay. Now you know what? Okay, BP equal to BD. Why? Here you can say because BP from an external point, these also tangent BP and BD touching point P and D. So BP is equal to BD. Why? Length of tangent from an external point B are equal, and similarly CQ is equal to CD and CQ equal to CD. Reason same, but because length of tangents are equal. Because length of tangent from an external point. Same reason. Okay. Then it means use this here, that we can write AB plus AC plus BP means BD. Put this plus value of CQ, CD. Simple. Now BD plus CD by figure, BD plus CD, BC. So this is BC and plus as it is AC and then this as it is AB. So now this equal to 40. This is going on 40. Okay. So now this is perimeter. So this is perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to sum of all three sides means perimeter हो गया, centimeter. Answer. So done. To like this question you can do. Okay. If perimeter given, converse of this question, maybe this same figure and given perimeter here and find the length of tangent AP. Okay. So reverse process you can do. Okay. Now next. Yes. Next question. Question number 2. Two tangents TP and TQ. TP and TQ. Two tangents of a circle with center O. Okay. From an external point T. Then the tangent given with center O given. Prove that angle PTO, PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ. Prove that angle PTQ, Q is equal to 2 twice of angle OPQ. This angle. And this angle, let angle 1, let this angle 2. We have to prove, to prove, we can write again to prove what? Angle 1 equal to twice of angle 2. This we have to prove. Now in the proof, what in the proof? We know what? This full angle is 90 degree and we know the two sides are equal in a triangle PTQ, tangent length equal to angle equal हो गया. This angle एंड दिस एंगल इक्वल हो गए। तो यहां से हम ले सकते हैं इसको, ओके 90 लिख सकते हैं वहां पर। तो वी कैन राइट एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल, वी कैन राइट एंगल TPO, एंगल TPO, एंगल TPO is equal to 90 degree. Why? Radius perpendicular to tangent. Okay, because reason radius theorem, radius perpendicular to tangent. ठीक है 90 हो गए, ओके। So now you will see that if you will take this, what all three angles, these two, all angles, sum of all the angle in a triangle we can write. Now we can break this angle, this 3 plus angle 2, this angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, clear? Now this 90, now if you take angle 1 plus twice of 3, because 3 equal to 4, you can write angle 3 equal angle 4. Why this? Because TP equal TQ, length of tangent, are equal. Length of tangent are equal. ठीक है, तो ये opposite angles of equal side, opposite angles of equal sides are equal. Of equal sides are equal. Reason, okay? ये opposite sides are equal, तो उनके opposite angle equal. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? Equation 1. Now you can write angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle, sum of angles property, angle sum property, sum of angles, sum of angles property, okay, in a triangle, in a triangle. डन, जानते हैं, ठीक है। अब हमें क्या करना है, रिलेशन यहाँ पर देखो एंगल 3 plus 2 90 है, तो इसको क्या कर लो, पहले twice 3 करो, एंगल 1 plus एंगल 3 plus एंगल 3, एंगल 4 को भी ये पुट कर दो, एंगल 3 plus एंगल 3 is equal to 180 degree. Use this here, ठीक है। After that angle 1 plus twice angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है बेटा। देन यहाँ देखें आप एंगल 3 की वैल्यू यहाँ से यहाँ पुट कर दें। ठीक है। नाउ एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 3 वैल्यू 90 माइनस एंगल 2, तो ट्वाइस इंटू 90 माइनस एंगल 2, which value I put from equation 1, use equation 1 is equal to 180, use equation 1। ओके बेटा, ये दिस इक्वेशन से एंगल 3 की वैल्यू 90। हाँ यस बेटा, दिस यूज इक्वेशन 1 एंड देन सिंपलीफाई। एंगल 1 is equal 2 into 90 180 and here plus that side minus, so 180 minus 180, okay, and degree, okay, now 2 twice angle 2 नेगेटिव, उस साइड जाकर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव twice angle 2, then this implies angle 1 equal to 180 cancel, then twice of angle 2, okay, this hence this we have to prove, hence prove, okay, hence prove, this we have to prove, okay, yes beta, this question now here, this circumscribe the circle, this triangle, ओके, सिर के ऊपर बनाई गई है। और हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर कि जो BD एंड DC into which BC, ये D पॉइंट कॉन्टेक्ट पॉइंट डिवाइड द BC into two part, BD and DC, BD 8 DC 6 given, okay, find side AB and AC and radius of this circle given, radius means it is joined to the contact point, these are radius, perpendicular, okay, and join center to the ABC, this point is O. So now you can say here join OC, then here solution, in the solution of this question what you have to write, first radius given यानी OD is equal to D E F, OD equal to OE equal to OF equal to radius R is equal to given 4 centimeter. Radius is given 4 centimeter. Okay. Now after that join O2 and center को किससे O2 A, B and C, okay, join कर दिया, then triangle कितनी बन गई थी, so this full triangle, so triangle ABC, this full triangle region is divided into three triangles, okay, triangle O AB plus triangle OBC plus triangle OAC. Sum of these three triangles is equal to full ABC. ABC divided by the three triangles with the help of the point O. Okay. Now we can say the region area axiom. The area of the full triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. So now area axiom we can use here. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal area of triangle OAB. We can write by the formula half into base into height. OAB height is 4 centimeter. So half into base is AB into height 4 plus half into OAB हो गया OBC तो BC half into base BC 48 plus 6 and into height is 4 centimeter. Okay, plus half into base third triangle AOC तो base is AC into height is 4. This now you see BD equal to BF. You can write BF is equal to BD. Length of tangents are equal. Then is equal to 8. This 8 given. BD is 8 given. And similarly CE. CE is equal to CD. Length of tangents are equal. Okay. It means 6 centimeter. Region length of tangents are equal. Now let AF equal to F centimeter. Then AE also X centimeter equal to AE. Okay. Now by these points we can use here and here's formula here triangle ABC. So triangle ABC perimeter S is equal to S of triangle ABC AB plus BC plus AC divided by 2. Then S is equal to AB AF plus BF. BF is 8 plus X 8 plus X plus BC 14 plus AC is CE 6 plus X 6 plus X. Okay. Semi-perimeter S of the triangle ABC. Sum of all three sides divided by 2. Half of the perimeter. Then 14 plus 14, 28 plus 2x. Then divide by 2 common. Then 14 plus x. 14 plus x. This is your S. So use here area of this triangle ABC square root S 14 plus x s into s minus a. So 14 plus x minus side BC. BC side is 14. S into s minus a into s minus b, s is 14 plus x s minus side from the AC side. AC is 6 plus x, so minus 6 minus x. Okay, then after that into 14 plus x minus angle C, C side, angle C के ऊपर ही AB will 8 plus x, तो minus 8 minus x. This is equal, simplify, 2 to the 4, 2AB, 2 into AB, AB is 8 plus x, so 2 8 the 2 into 8 plus x, चलो 2 into AB, and this 2 to the 4, then 14 to the 28 plus twice AC, so twice into AC, AC is 6 plus x. This, okay beta. Now simplify. Very important question, area axiom use here. Then simplify, 14 cancel, here minus x plus x cancel, minus x plus x cancel. Check here, 14 plus x into x into 14 into 14. Understand? 14 minus 6, sorry, 8, 14 minus 8, 6, 8 into 6. So this is 14 plus x under the square root and into 8 into 6, 48. This 14 minus 8, 6, and 14 minus 6, 8. So 8 into 6. Done. This is equal, simplify, 2 8 the 16 and 2 6 the 12, 12 and 16, 28, 28 and 28, 56, 56 plus 4x, 56 plus 4x, 2x this plus 2x this, 4x. Okay, now simplify this forward. What will come? See this 48, square root 48, 4 4 the 16, 16 3 the 48, then 4 root 3. So this is 4 root 3 inside and additive, 4 out, and 14 plus x into 3 is equal, this common, 4 common, what will get? 14 plus x, 14 plus x, okay, 14 plus x, this, now this 4 cancel, then this implies this square root will go to that side. Okay, then 14 square root 14 plus x into square root 3 divided by this 14 plus x is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Then this simplify, then this will come, this रूट अब है डिनोमिनेटर विदाउट रूट है, ध्यान दें जैसे कहीं पर हमारा रूट 2 है और नीचे 2 है, तो सिंप्लीफाई करके इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2, तो 1 रूट 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और एक 1 लेफ्ट, तो दिस विल बी 1 अपॉन रूट 14 प्लस एक्स, तो 1 अपॉन रूट 14 plus x we can write this, so this will be root 3 as it is, and upon this will be root, denominator will come root 14 plus x is equal to ध्यान देंगे equal to 1. This here, this x was left here, this x. Now this x, why this x? This x, because this 14 minus 6, 8, 14 minus 8, 6, 8 6 are 48 and into x, 48 into x and this. So 48 into x, then this 3, 4 4 the 16, 16, 3 the 48, then it will left here 3x. Root 3x inside and 4 out, 4 4 cancel, then it will left here root 3x, so root 3x inside and root 14x upon this 14 plus x will go down, then this will be root and root 3x up. Okay, this cancel and denominator root 1 gaya is equal to 1, and then after that squaring both side, then 3x upon 3x upon 14 plus x is equal to 1. Then this implies, this go that side, 14 plus x is equal to 3x, cross multiply, ठीक है, and then this will be 3x minus x, then 2x is equal to 14, and then x is equal to divided by 2, then 7. So x 7, so a b equal to 8 plus x is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, and then AC will be equal to 6 plus x, then 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7, then equal to 13 centimeter. So these both are the other two sides. Okay, done. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must send the videos to the other students and guide them. They must subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.